Hi, I'm Kevin Press with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The Black Ghost is augmented with nice racing style hood scoops. They are functional. They're going to feed the cool air box. You get upper and lower scoops. Large grille, allowing plenty of cool air to pass through that massive front mount intercooler. The hood, everything is held down by functional hood pins with a nice black base plate. This is going to keep that hood from flying up at the 150 plus miles an hour that this car is well capable of. The Black Ghost is a blacked out car with just the right amount of chrome to show that it means business. You're going to get things like the fuel door, hood pins, badging on the front, the rear, the sides, and chrome trim inside and around the outside of the vehicle that are really going to give it a nice touch of class and show that power off. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.